To install your computer full pack drivers or to reinstall them, all what you will have to do, you will have to go to your browser and you will type driver pack as one word and then space solution. You press enter and you will open the first solution or the first website appearing, which is https://drp.su/english. So I will click on it and we will just click install required drivers. This will enable the download of a small application. We will save the file. As soon as the download is done, we'll go to our download file. We'll go to our download file and we will open it. And here we have driver pack application. We'll just click on it 2 times to start it. We'll click run and we'll have to wait for a few seconds. Have to wait. The application appears as following, so you'll have just to be patient a few seconds to up to 2 minutes so that the application refreshes and gets starting properly. As you can see, it is checking at the moment and analyzing my computers and drivers. We'll have to wait a few moments more. The application has detected some of the missing drivers. So here it's saying that it is collecting data about computers in accordance with license agreement conditions. So we can just click confirm for the moment. So here there is 13 drivers which will be installed. So you can just go ahead and click install all drivers. And if you know what driver you are exactly missing, you can go and search into the driver. You can just go to your search tab and you type device manager. You open it as usual, and if you see exactly what driver is missing from your drivers, then you can just go and deselect all and select the only one which you are missing, and you will just press install. However, I suggest before installing any of these drivers, I would suggest to you to go to expert mode. You click on it, and from here we will see that each driver will be installed for what. So we'll have a network, for example, .NET Framework, System Library, Microsoft Visual, etc. So all of these drivers will be installed in my computer at the moment, but I will suggest to you before clicking install all to go to software section, and from here I will suggest to you to disable or to deselect each application which you do not want, because this driver pack solution software will install for you by default Opera browser, Firefox browser, and Avast free antivirus, and it can even install for you 360 total security. However, as I do not need all of these, I would deselect all of them and I will go back to drivers. I will suggest to you also to go to protection and cleanup to check what is going to disinstall. So here it is saying again that it will install this and disinstall this software, so I will just deselect it. And in the diagnostics part you will see the computer, the base, the computer name, etc. And also you can even here find the download driver pack offline. You can download it if you want to work offline when it comes to installing your drivers. For instance, I will just go back to drivers, I will click install all, and installation will begin. You will have to be patient and you will have to make sure that you are connected to the internet during the process so that no errors occurs, and you will have to wait. Don't worry, if any error will happen, then you can go back to the previous version, as it will create a disk image so that you can go back to it if any errors or bugs appears. I will stop the video here. I will wait until all the drivers are installed and we'll take from there. So now all the drivers has been installed. As you can see here it says in green 9 drivers has been installed. In my case there was some drivers issues with this sound card connection, and this is because of some system settings which I will have to change later. Otherwise everything was installed. So now all what you will have to do, you will have to reboot your computer. As it says here, we recommend you to reboot your computer as soon as the installation is complete, and as soon as you reboot your computer, all the drivers will take effect and your computer should work fine. I will stop this video now. If you still need help or assistance on anything, you can always drop a comment or send an email and we will reply to you. Thanks for watching, and talk to you soon in a new video tutorial. Please, if you like this video, don't forget to press like and share it with your friends, and subscribe if you would like to receive our latest notification. Thanks for watching, and talk to you soon in a new video tutorial.